I am showing how to register this website. First you click here, and যদি you have already logging, then you can put here your username or email address, and you put password. When or which password you get, email or you set. Otherwise, when you create an account, click when you click create account, here too you can put a first name, last name and email address, then like here, and you can click password, what password you want to do, then you can click and you can put here password, and then you can register, click. Then you can your user account, and you can save, and this your account already created. You can here, you can your account get created.